FAIRmedia aims to use only Austrian datasets for training and validating AI models. However, with the increasing number of datasets available in Austria, there comes also the necessity for sharing this data.
How can data of media organizations be reused and shared for AI training?
According to the rule, if we have more data available, we can also categorize and verify more content. FAIRmedia wants to contribute to the discourse on how these data can be reused and shared. In order to make this possible, FAIRmedia delves into the relevant aspects of the data protection laws, data laws, and copyright laws. How can AI systems be compliant with GDPR and the AI Act?
When developing AI, many different laws apply. The one regulation that comes into mind first is the AI Act. As the AI Act follows a risk-based approach, it is therefore necessary to categorize the risk of the AI system. Following the category, various responsibilities and obligations do apply to the provider and deployer. The latter two are the main addressees of the AI Act. Therefore, in research projects, it needs to be examined carefully to whom those definitions do apply. Secondly, if personal data is involved in the development of the AI system, not only the AI Act, but also the general data protection regulation must be considered. What also needs to be considered are the laws on copyright and text and data mining, for example. The tricky question for the applicability of the GDPR is when personal data is to be considered anonymous data from a legal point of view.
The difference between personal data and anonymous data is important for the applicability of the General Data Protection Regulation. The GDPR is only applicable to personal data. Personal data means any information relating to an identified or identifiable natural person, the so-called data subject. The application of pseudonymization to personal data, where the personal data can no longer be attributed to a specific data subject. However, the link between the data and the data subject can be established with additional information, which is kept separately, can reduce the risk to the data subject concerned and help controllers and processors to meet their data protection obligations. To be considered fully anonymous, the information either does not relate to an identified or identifiable natural person, or the personal data is rendered anonymous in such a manner that the data subject is not or no longer identifiable.